Alright students, so how do we do this question? The general term of a number pattern is 2n minus 1. Which term is 29 of it? Alright, so how do we do when the general term is given and when they ask for the term number of a term? How do we do it? First we write nth term. Nth term is equal to 2n minus 1. Now, since we don't know where 29 is, for a while, let's consider 29 as the nth term. So 29 equals 2n minus 1. Now, we got to solve this equation in order to find n. So how do we solve this equation? Let's isolate n. How do we isolate n? First we have to get rid of this minus 1. So to get rid of this subtraction 1, what do we introduce? We put an addition 1. If you do something to the right hand side of the equation, do the same thing to the left hand side of the equation. So a plus 1 comes here too. Then what do we have? We have 2n. What is minus 1 plus 1? That is 0. So minus 1 is no more. It got destroyed or it got vanished due to putting plus 1. So what simply remains in the right hand side is 2n. And what do we have here? That's 30. Now we have to get rid of this 2. How do we get rid of this 2? How is this 2 connected to n? What is the operation between 2 and n? There is a hidden multiplication. When we say 2n, what it exactly means is 2 times n. So to get rid of this times 2, what do we introduce? We introduce a division. We divide by 2. If you do something to right, do the same thing to left, divide by 2. Now what remains? 2 divided by 2 is 1. It's 1n. What does 1n mean? 1n simply means n. And what is 30 divided by 2? 15. Alright, so all this time we were considering 29 as the nth term. But we don't have to do that anymore. We got to know what n is. The n that is applicable for 29. That's 15. So now what can we say? We can say 29 is the 15th term. So this is the way to find the term number of a term when the term and the nth term are given to us.